The engagement campaign objectives seem to be the most widely confused campaign objectives that we have on the Meta Ads Manager. Yes, we have so many business owners who run engagement ads. By the time they begin to see so many likes, so many comments, and so many shares on their posts, they get so excited. Why do they get excited? Because they feel that this is going to bring results for them. But the reality is, most of these businesses, after a few days of running these ads, they begin to feel very bad because these likes, comments, and shares do not translate into sales or leads if they are actually offering a service. That is why in this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly what the engagement campaign objective is, how to use it, and when to use it for you to get results from the ads that you actually run. Welcome back again to this wonderful Meta Ads Masterclass. If you are just joining us, this is the one and only masterclass where we teach you how to run Meta ad, Facebook ads from the beginning till the end as a professional. Over the past few episodes, we have gone through so many lessons. In fact, if you are just joining us, you have missed so much. What can you do to catch up? I have pinned a comment carrying the link to the playlist in the description below. Once you click on comments, that is the first comment you are going to see. Click on that link, go to the playlist and see everything we have done in this playlist. No doubt, you have so much to benefit from it. And now to you, yes, you who have been following us on this playlist, I can see you have not been giving comments, expressing yourselves in the comment section below. What crime did I commit? Is it that you are not getting value from the wonderful lessons I've been giving? Come on. It takes nothing from you to actually drop a comment saying you are doing a good job. You drop a comment saying I am enjoying these lessons. Or you drop a comment saying well done, keep up the good job. It takes nothing. You are forgetting to understand that when you do that, it will help a whole lot of persons to see this mind-blowing playlist that carries how to run Meta ads from beginning to end. Now, we are actually going to take a vow that henceforth, moving forward, for the fact that you watch this video, watch any video I post next concerning Meta ads, you are going to drop a comment. Deal or no deal? It is a deal from my end. And if you know you've gotten value, you're getting value from all the videos I'm posting since, please and please, just like, comment, and share. That will be highly appreciated. Now, let's move over to the video of the day. How can we run engagement ads professionally? What is the right way to run engagement ads? And what is not the right way to actually run engagement ads? All of these will be covered shortly. But first, what is the engagement objective or the engagement campaign objectives that we have in our Meta ads? What is its main objective? What is it used for? Simply put, the engagement campaign objective is designed to get people to interact with your content. That is it. Whatever you post, let people share, let people like, and let people do what? Comment on the comment section below of that post. That is just basically what it is meant for. Engagement campaign is not meant for sales. So if you are part of those persons who run engagement campaign thinking that you make sales from it, my dear, you are doing it the wrong way. Because Meta knows people who come to its platform and just like posts. They are there to just get engaged. They are not serious-minded. So Meta show engagement ads basically to those people who actually want to get engaged. Now, even inside the engagement campaign objectives, there are different things that you can actually optimize your ads for. For example, as you see here, you can optimize your ads for what? Post engagement. Now, what does post engagement do? Post engagement basically shows your adverts to people who will basically engage with that particular post. Yes, they would like, they would comment, they would share. Even if you have a video showing in that ad, they may not watch the video. All they do is what? Oh, I've seen a post, they like it, they comment, they share. Like, comment, share. So by the time you see a post that has so many likes, comment, and share, there is a high possibility that the post engagement option of the engagement ads have been used for that ad. Now, how about the video views section? These basically are the type of ads that you see that comedians run on social media. All these people who make skits, these are the kind of ads that they usually run on social media. Why do we say so? This is because when optimized for video views, the ad is going to reach people who are more likely to view the video. Yes, it will not just optimize it for likes and comments, it's going to optimize it for persons who will actually watch that video from beginning till the end. Yes, video view is also a type of engagement. Now, how about when the ad is optimized for messaging, direct messaging? This basically shows the ads to people who are going to engage with the business owner. Yes, they can start a conversation via DMs and then communicate with you who is running the ad. So the engagement campaign objectives can also be further optimized into other aspects or into other things that you want to achieve. Whether it is post engagement, whether it is video views, whether it is direct messaging engagement aspect. You can optimize all of these inside the post engagement ads, as it were. Don't worry, in the ads creation section of this our masterclass, I would show you basically from start to finish how to do all of this setup right here in this masterclass. Now, what are those scenarios where you can actually use engagement ads and the scenarios where you are not allowed to use engagement ads? I would give you different scenarios right now. The very first scenario where it is very, very ideal for you to use engagement ads is when you have a new page and you want to build social proof. Yes, what is social proof? Now imagine that you have about 10-15 posts on a page. And on this page, on every post you have on this page, there is 0 likes, 0 comments, 0 views. Now, if you have a customer who visits that page, the customer now sees that people are not interacting with that page. Do you think that customer would be interested or be motivated to patronize you? If it is not extremely serious, the customer will not patronize you. So one way where you use engagement ads is to build social proof for your page. Let's say you have a page and you have about 10 posts, 15 posts on it. You run engagement ads to make sure that those posts have likes and comments. That way, when a new customer comes, they see people engaging with all the posts you have on that page. Then they will be more convinced to want to patronize you. So the very first scenario I've highlighted is when you want to build social proof for your page. So it is very ideal that as a beginner, you ensure you run engagement ads for the posts that you have on your page. The good news is that engagement ads are very, very cheap. With as low as 500 naira, you can get up to 200 to 300 likes and comments on your page. And if you want to increase your budget to 1,000 naira, you get almost 1,000 comments on your post, as it were. They are very, very cheap. First scenario highlighted. Now let's go over to the second scenario where you might now want to use engagement ads, as it were. The second scenario we have here are for persons who really do not have the high budget to start designing websites. Yes, they just want to create a small ad and push people to send them direct messaging on WhatsApp, direct messaging on Instagram, or maybe on Facebook. Yes, you can just come over here, click on continue, and set up your engagement ads and optimize it for what? Direct messaging. That can be done under the assets section here. Go over to conversion location. You now see what? Message destinations. So this gets people to send you messages on WhatsApp, on Instagram, and also where? On Messenger, as it were. So persons who really do not have a fat budget to run ads that will send traffic to their websites, they just want to start DMs. You can use engagement ads to get that started, as it were. Don't worry, I would show you a full setup guide on how to run this when we have gotten to the ads creation section of this masterclass. For you to see that, ensure that you are subscribed to this channel now. If you've not done so, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to this channel now. Do it now. I'm waiting for you now. Have you done it? Have you subscribed? Okay, yes, thumbs up. Thank you for subscribing. Yes, subscribe so you can see when those videos are going to drop. I have just given you 2 scenarios where you can actually optimize the use of engagement ads. Now, the scenario I want to give to you is one that professionals use. It's only people who run ads in a pro level that use engagement ads in this way. What is that? It is when we want to run a campaign, probably a sales campaign that we know will be expensive. We use engagement ads to test the creatives that we want to use for the ads. Yes, sales ads are not cheap. But before we go over to use creatives to run these ads, we use engagement ads to see how well the creative we are going to use will perform. Creative, I mean the ad copy, the ad image, and maybe the ad video if you decide to use an ad video for it. So instead of you just jumping over into sales, use those creatives and start doing split testing of creatives on your sales ad. We use those same creatives to run engagement ads first. See how audience interact with them. The one that receives better engagement is the one we're going to use for our sales ad. This is a pro tip that I have given to you. Yes, a pro tip that only professionals actually use to run their ads. Please, if you don't understand what I mean, go to the comment section below and ask me to explain again, and I will explain it in a way that you would understand it perfectly. These 3 scenarios are the best ways that you can use engagement ads. Do you remember them? Number 1, when you want to build social proof for your new page, you need likes, comments to be on your new page. On the post you have on your page, use engagement ads. Number 2, when you don't have a fat budget to start designing websites and you just want to start small by getting messages, yes, you use engagement ads to run direct messaging ads for your product or service. And number 3, which is the smartest way to use it, we use engagement ads to split test creatives, ad copies, ad image, to see how they will perform on the sales ad or lead generation ad that will be running later. These are the best ways to use engagement ads in order for you to do what? Use them efficiently. Now, what are some ways that some persons have been using engagement ads that is not recommended at all? It is very, very simple. When you want direct sales, like immediate sales of your product or service, it is not recommended that you run engagement ads. Yes, even the direct messaging ads under engagement does not guarantee sales. I have to re-emphasize that. For you to make sales, you must run the sales ads. Now let me ask you a question. Have you actually run engagement ads before and you did not see results? I mean, you got likes, comments, and shares, but you didn't make any sales. Neither did you get any leads. Have you run that kind of ad before? Let me know in the comment section so I know that we are communicating or interacting very, very well. Now that you know exactly the right way to use engagement ads, I am very, very sure that these insights would prepare you for us when we get to that point where we'll now practicalize how to run the engagement ads practically. Yes, this information you have is going to prepare you. Now, are you someone who knows that you've gotten massive value from this video or all the videos we'll be running on this masterclass? Come on, it takes nothing from you to just go to the comment section below and say thank you for this information. It takes nothing. Oh yeah, now, go to the comment section below. Just say thank you for this wonderful information that you have given to us. Express yourself. Let me know how you appreciate this mind-blowing course that we are giving out to you for free. In fact, I want to use this opportunity to give a shout out to someone that surprised me greatly. What did this person do? Let me show you what the person did. Yes, I would love to give a shout out to Manual Tone Comic. Yes, Manual Tone Comic surprised me so much. As you see here, he gifted me a tip for this mind-blowing job. This shows he appreciates so much what I've been doing right here on this series Thank you so much, Manatun Comic. Whatever you've done is highly appreciated. He did not just say thanks for this information, he dropped a tip for that. Of course, you know that the informations we are giving out here on this channel are informations that so many persons will charge you thousands for. But over here, we're giving them to you for free right here on this YouTube channel. In fact, we have so many course creators who are saying, why are you giving out all this information for free? Why are you doing this? This should be premium things that should be right there in your courses. These persons do not know that I derive joy from sharing all this information to you for free. So thank you so much, Manatun Comics, for the efforts, the kind gesture you put into doing what? Giving that tip. It is highly appreciated. Thank you so much. So you that is watching this video that have gotten value from this video, it takes nothing to express yourself in the comment section below. Just say thank you so much. That is something that would motivate me to keep dropping videos that would educate you and that you would get value from. No doubt, having known what engagement ads is used for and when to use it, you are now inquisitive to know what the lead generation ads is used for, when to use it, and when not to use it. That's exactly what we'll be talking about in the very next lesson, where we'll be treating lead generation ads or lead generation campaign objective. What is it? When should we use it? How should we use it? And how should we not use it? I'll see you in that next video where I'll be explaining in details how to use the lead campaign objective. If you are fortunate, you will see that video shown on your screen right now. But if not, turn on post notifications so you will see exactly when that video is going to drop. I can't wait to see you in that next lesson where I'll be treating lead generation ads, how to use it, and how not to use it. See you in that very next lesson.